Hey guys, this is Tim. I just received this LED work light for review. So let's open it up, look at its features, and give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, here's the work light. And a cordless work light user manual. Okay, this is a 4.5 by 4.5 inch LED work light made by Livowalny. It has a handle, and it does not come with a battery, but it's built for a DeWalt 20-volt lithium ion battery, which I have. So we'll go ahead and put that on. Has a protective film. Okay, the switch to turn the work light on and off is here in the back. The single line is the spotlight, and you can see on my monitor here, the beam is pretty much a spot. It's not spread out. So that's the spotlight, which activates this LED here in the center. Then you turn it off, and then you have 3 other modes when you press the button to the right. So there's 4 different modes: the spotlight, the white light, the warm light, and the warm light. So again, you got the handle that you can carry or perhaps hang the work light in place that you need the light. Okay, in addition to rotating the light beam about 45 degrees, it will also tilt up and down as needed. So you have a variety of different benefits of tilting this light and or hanging or carrying. Also, if you look on the side of the LED work light, it has a USB charging port as well as a Type-C that you can plug in to charge your laptop or device. So that was the USB, and then here's a Type-C that you can charge your laptop or iPhone, etc. Overall, I think it's a great work light, so I highly recommend this 4.5 inch LED work light by Livowalny.